Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, it's completely different. You have already read the title and also saw the thumbnail. I'm gonna do something which will treat my dark circles, and after 3 days I will not see those dark circles. Is it true? Is it really true? Because I am quite surprised and shocked. I saw one of the YouTubers video where she showed a remedy and said that this remedy will actually treat my dark circles in just 3 days. So basically after 3 days I will not see my dark circles, they'll just disappear. Who doesn't want that, right? So I'm going to follow this remedy for 3 days, and on the 4th and the final day I'm going to share the results if it works out or not. But along with this remedy, I'm going to cut down my screen time as well as I'm going to sleep early, so that, because obviously with my screen time, if I keep using my phone and laptop and I don't sleep early, my dark circles will definitely not go away. So I'm going to improve my lifestyle as well as follow these remedies, just one remedy actually, for 3 consecutive days, and on the 4th and the final day I will share the results. So make sure you watch this video till the end if you want to know if this works out or not. Now let's get started. So I've removed my makeup and this is what my natural face looks like, my dark circles, my under eyes. Let me show you the remedy first. So I'm going to just squeeze out the excess from the cotton pads so that they don't drip down my face. And I'm going to apply it under my eyes. Oh, it's falling down. Make sure you take off the excess because otherwise this will happen. But anyways, I really think this should work because both tomato and milk have brightening properties. So I really hope this works, and I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes and then I'll be back. So it's more than 10 minutes. I'm going to remove it and keep it on the side. And just clean my face with the face towel. Okay, honestly I don't see any difference. Obviously I don't expect it to work in like one go, it's not magic. But yes, I do feel like really relaxed because of its cooling sensation. It feels really good. So I'm gonna see you on day 2, that is tomorrow. Hi guys, so today is day 2 and I'm really excited to try out this remedy because my eyes are extremely tired and I just can't wait to try this remedy out today. Also, I'm wearing this headband from Miniso because I'm gonna shoot a lot of skincare stuff after this video for my Instagram. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram because I upload all the beauty skincare content daily on my Instagram page, so make sure you follow me. Now let's begin with the remedy. I have this mixture over here. I'm just gonna dip this cotton pad in the same way and apply it on my eyes. Also, the alternative for this is orange. In case you don't want to put tomato or you don't have tomatoes, you can put the orange pulp in the milk and the procedure is same. So you can do that as well. Just gonna apply it. So आज मैंने मिल्क की क्वांटिटी थोड़ी कम रखी है so that कल वाला हाल ना हो, otherwise टपकता रहता है. And in case आपका ज़्यादा हो जाए liquid, you can squeeze out the extra always. So yeah, I think ये fix हो गया and I'm gonna relax for some time and then I'll be back. Okay, so 10 minutes are done and I'm gonna remove this, but before I remove this, I would like to share a few tips which will help you deal with your dark circles. Starting from the most obvious, you need proper sleep. So daily 7 से 8 घंटे अपनी नींद पूरी करिए, and also reduce your screen time because that's really important. And lastly, we always tend to forget to moisturize our eyes, our under eyes. So every night before you go to bed, make sure you apply some sort of eye cream that will help you reduce your puffiness and also eventually help you deal with your dark circles. So I'm just going to remove this now and clean it. So I definitely feel better, and of course it's very relaxing. but I don't see any major difference as such, but we will know once we complete all the 3 days. So I will see you tomorrow, and let's hope we do see the results tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome to the final day. I'm really excited to see the results, so let's just quickly apply it and then we will talk. So जब तक ये लगा रहेगा, let me just answer a few questions related to this remedy. Starting from how many times you should apply this. I think I wouldn't recommend you to apply this more than 2 times a week. 3 is also fine. मैंने 3 बार लगाया because I wanted to see the results and share it with you guys. But I wouldn't recommend you to apply it more than 2 times a week. And next, what to do after removing this. You can simply wash your face or just wipe it off with a damp towel. So after you remove this, clean it with damp towel or just wash it off and then just normally moisturize your face. Lastly, storage. Don't store it and don't think like you'll just make it in one go and then you'll use it next time. You have to just use it at the same time. I wouldn't recommend you to store it because I don't think it will be effective, and also it might be harmful rather than giving you good results. So don't store it. Whenever you want to apply, just make it before applying only. And lastly, always do a patch test. Whenever you're trying something new on your skin, especially on your face, always do a patch test so that you're sure that it won't give you some sort of a bad reaction. So make sure you do your patch test. Okay, so I finally removed it and I'm going to show you a close-up of how my under eyes look. And yes, I do see a little bit of difference. Definitely not major, but there is a difference. If I just compare my eyelids and under eyes, I can see my under eyes a little lighter and brighter than the eyelids. So that's a plus point. And well, obviously it's not magic कि 3 दिन में dark circles गायब हो जाएंगे. With a proper routine, decreasing your screen time and following this remedy, I think you can see a major difference. So I would rate this remedy a 7 out of 10. Let me know in the comments what do you think of this remedy, and also share with me if you will try out this remedy, or in case you know anything which works for dark circles, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and please do make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.